Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Plum token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Plum is a specialized blockchain ecosystem designed to be the on-chain home for tokenizing and integrating real-world assets RWAs with decentralized finance. A specialized RWA chain, a public EVM compatible blockchain built from the ground up to tokenize and manage assets like real estate, private credit, and commodities. Compliance first architecture embeds regulatory tools like KYC, AML, and on chain custody directly into the protocol to enable secure compliant transactions. Growing institutional ecosystem attracts major traditional finance players and over 200 projects by focusing on making RWAs usable in DeFi for yard and collateral. Plum project institution rating is 4.4. Plum token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is around 5.33 billion Plum token. Plum token is listed on Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.